The digestive system, highlighted here in amber, is responsible for breaking down food and absorbing essential nutrients.
We begin our journey through the digestive system, observing the path from the esophagus down into
The digestive system, or gastrointestinal tract, processes the food we eat, absorbing nutrients and expelling waste.
The journey of digestion begins as enters the mouth and is broken.
Here we see the bolus traveling down the esophagus, propelled by smooth muscle contractions, a process known as peristalsis. From the moment food enters the mouth,
The stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. It secretes acid and enzymes to digest food.
the esophagus delivers the soft nutrient mass, triggering the smooth biological motion of the stomach walls, known.
This wave-like motion, known as peristalsis, is essential for breaking down the food bolus into a semi-liquid substance called chyme.
As we pan across the stomach, notice the semi-transparent layers revealing the muscle folds inside.
The small intestine is where the vast majority of nutrients are absorbed. These particles, seen here in green and violet.
Peristalsis is the slow, wave-like muscular contraction that moves food through the digestive tract.
The villi lining the intestine absorb the nutrients, shown here as glowing particles, which then pass into the bloodstream. The small intestine is where the bulk of nutrient absorption occurs, aided by the millions of villi lining the walls.
The small intestine, despite its name, is the longest section of the digestive tract.
The large intestine, also known as the colon, is a vital part of the digestive system. It is responsible demonstrates the gentle, rhythmic contractions known as peristalsis, which propel the remaining abstract particles through the colon.
Peristalsis is the calm, wave-like motion of the colon walls, moving contents through the large intestine. Peristalsis is the calm, wave-like motion of the colon walls, moving contents through the large intestine. Peristalsis is the slow, wave-like muscular contraction that propels digested material through the colon.
We are now viewing the descending colon in isolation, noting the distinct anatomical features of the haustra.
In the large intestine, the body reclaims essential water from the undigested matter. This process compacts.
The lower GI tract includes the colon and the rectum. This section, highlighted in blue, is the rectum.
This visualization tracks the digestive tract, beginning with the highly acidic environment of the stomach and
Digestion begins as nutrients travel down the esophagus into the stomach, where they are broken down before entering the small intestine for absorption.
This 3D visualization clearly shows the gastrointestinal tract, a complex series of organs extending from the esophagus to the anus.
once swallowed, food travels down the esophagus to the stomach, where digestion begins before moving to the small and large intestines.
In older adults, the digestive process can slow down, affecting nutrient absorption throughout the system.
In conclusion, the entire process, from ingestion to egestion, is essential for maintaining homeostasis within the human body.
As we move past the pharynx, we enter the esophagus. Notice the slow, muscular.
As the camera orbits, we can clearly see the rugae, or gastric folds, highlighted in blue, which allow the stomach to expand.
We begin with the esophagus, where the bolus travels down into the stomach for initial breakdown, before moving into the small and then large intestines.
Digestion begins in the esophagus, moves to the stomach for breakdown, and then the small intestine absorbs the vital nutrients.
The digestive system, or alimentary canal, processes food.
As food leaves the esophagus, it enters the stomach for preliminary digestion. It then moves